When dealing with electric and telecommunication transmission projects, there are several things that you will install on the pole. Most of these accessories ensure that there is a smooth transmission of electricity on or data through the mains cable. Pole line accessories also play a protective role. They ensure that the mains line and other vital cables are supported onto their respective positions. They also ensure that there is no overflow of the electric current from the mains lines. Pole line hardware also plays a critical role in guaranteeing safety for those who are nearby the poles. If they can prevent the mains cable from falling, it means that the lives of the people and property will be free from destruction. To understand what pole line hardware is, let me break down for you the two terms, pole line and hardware. A pole line is a pole that acts as a point of attachment for the cables that are used for